Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grub. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Sorry. On above here you will search about grub and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of grub and then here you will update your app if you find updates as you see here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like